Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you're tired of spending hours vacuuming and mopping floors, then you're going to love what we have in store for you today. We have the XIAOMI MIJIA Omni Robot Vacuum Cleaners 1B116 Mop Smart Base, the ultimate solution for keeping your floors spotless without lifting a finger. Just imagine coming home to perfectly clean floors every single day. That's the convenience this robot vacuum offers. It's equipped with automatic water up and down, automatic addition of detergent, automatic mop washing, automatic dust collection, automatic hot air drying, and so much more. With features like ultrasonic carpet recognition, intelligent automatic lifting of mop, and super sensing AI recognition system, this vacuum outperforms any other on the market. And it doesn't stop there. The suction performance has been upgraded to 4000 PA, making sure every speck of dirt is sucked up into the 2.5L dust bag, eliminating the need for frequent changes. Not only that, the XIAOMI MIJIA Omni Robot Ones comes with a fully automatic AI cleaning base that is designed to absorb all the dirty work, including automatic water inlet and outlet, automatically adding cleaning solution and automatically cleaning the mop for a healthier and more sterile environment. But that's not all. This vacuum also comes with a mysterious blind box when you buy from select stores, allowing you the chance to win one of 8 unique surprises. And with a 15-day return policy and 2-year official warranty, you can make your purchase with confidence. So, if you're ready to kick back, relax, and let technology do all the hard work for you, then click the link in the description to get your hands on the XIAOMI MIJIA Omni Robot Vacuum Cleaners 1B116 Mop Smart Base today. It's time to invest in convenience, time, and a cleaner home. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity.